Hey folks, this is Mike Prosser with Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. You don't see this very often, so I'm showing you the inside of our shop slash showroom that we spiffed up a little bit for Valentine's Day weekend. So that was just Thor Rise used Class B motorhome. It's got the tent on top, tent room. This is a new Gulfstream Conquest. Small little single queen bed in the back. Brand new motorhome. Here's a cross trail. This is really cool. So we're just going to kind of go through them quickly here. A few of them. Nice thing about this cross trail is it's got storage in the back. I'm just going around to the back now, so apologize for that. There we go. Look at that huge storage back here. So that's the Coachman cross trail. There's a Coachman clipper. There's a clipper. Another clipper will come around the other way. 12 RD, nice little couples coach here. Everything you need. Sunset Park is one of our featured brands this year, and that is the Sunset Sunlight 14 THX. Little toy hauler. Pretty sweet, huh? You'll find all of these on our website, of course. Website is prosserrv.com. And just quickly come around here, show you a couple A-liners. A-liner Scout. They fold down flat, so they're very easy to tow. Here's an A-liner Classic. Pretty cute, huh? Air conditioning, furnace, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, dormers, circulating fan, fantastic fan. Here's another Sunray by Sunset Park. Even has that little wet bath. So anyway, thank you for checking us out. Mike Prosser with Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. Oh, before we go, got to start at the front here and show you our display here. So Valentine's Day. Thanks for checking us out. Thanks for all the people that came down to partake of all the goodies. And come on down. We'll have this display set up throughout the week so you can see RVs right in the comfort of inside, rain or shine. God willing, we'll be here. Thanks.